Meaning of disparaging.
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 Disparaging. Disparaging means expressing negative or critical opinions about someone or something. When someone is being disparaging, they are putting down or belittling the person or thing in question. This can cause harm to the individual or group that is being targeted, and may lead to a decrease in their self-esteem or reputation. Disparaging comments or actions can also contribute to a toxic or hostile environment, which can be detrimental to relationships and productivity. It's important to show respect and kindness towards others and avoid making disparaging remarks.